we are inside Caesar's Palace, and it is absolutely gorgeous. My husband thought that was real sky. I told him, no, it doesn't even look like real sky.
They're like moving while you're passing.
It does look like blue, but it's not real. So we are actually on our way to go eat at the Wynn. Husband has been waiting to go eat the buffet over there. Apparently it's the #1 buffet in Vegas, so we're gonna go try it. Heard that there's a lot of seafood, and I heard that there is a lot of like variety of food as well. So we'll see. Are you excited to go eat buffet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're too tall. There you go. Yeah, so we're gonna come back and walk the strip after we eat. So hopefully we'll be okay. My sister-in-law's really enjoying it. She loves everything here. First time Vegas. We broke her Vegas virginity. She's enjoying so much more than we are. We've already been here many times, so for us it's like whatever, but for her she's really enjoying it. So yeah, so I'll take you guys to go see the buffet. Lululemon. Oh, I didn't know they had Lululemon here. It's just expensive.
Working out.
What?
Workout pants.
Yeah, I know. It's expensive too. Snacks. I'm gonna flip you guys around. Alright. Here we are again with the sky. All these expensive clothing. It's pretty. We are at the Wynn Buffet. We're finally eating. Done with his food already, but this looks really good. I think this is beef short ribs.
Yeah, I think so.
No, you can eat it. I'll go record the food later. Gosh, these are the desserts. I had enough of the food. I don't know why it didn't taste that good to me. This is blueberry. I'm gonna try it. I believe this is pineapple pina colada shot, is what they said. This is vegan sticky rice. And then this is passion fruit cake. And then I already ate my raspberry sorbet, so I'm not going to show that. And then sister-in-law eating her crab legs. Yeah, she's loving it. Faye really likes it too. Here he comes. What? What are you eating?
More poke bowls.
More poke bowl?
Huh? One poke bowl. The top bowl.
Poke bowl.
You want a bite?
No, I already have bite. Eat it. It's good, huh? It's really good. Dip it in the sauce. Delicious. And then what kind of steak do you have?
Brisket.
Oh, it's brisket?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Smoked brisket.
Wow. You like this buffet?
Pretty good.
A lot? Oh,
Yeah, it's really good.
it's really beautiful here.
chia cô nia mà tu chùa số nhớ cô xuân bia thua chia cô tua nó mùa kia số bố trâu cũng để có lu chê lô phim cũ chỉ thua xa thua đã chỉ li chia cô bố có em yêu chỉ lu mô ta ý thì ô tì có lo son đêm lòng bờ có theo.
How's the buffet? Did you like it?
Yep, it was really good.
Was it worth the 300? 25 plus 60. How much is that?
That's 400.
Was it worth the 400? I didn't think it was worth it. I thought it was okay. I mean, they had a lot of food, but it wasn't anything that I really liked. I thought they would have like more seafood, but they didn't. Not that I eat the seafood anyways, but $400? I don't know. But my husband likes it, so that was worth it. Ask Anu if she likes the buffet. Yeah? Okay, I guess I was the only one that don't really like it. But yeah, now we're gonna go walk the strip. It is late. It's probably 7, 8. But we're gonna go walk the strip and then yeah. This is my first time here, so I mean in this hotel. So yeah.
Ô tì có lo son đêm lòng bờ có theo tu bằng thế chúa số thay cái nó còn ở bếp lô mù rồi cái xin luôn nơi gió ruộng trâu ơi lo xia bốn bông sẽ tôi tên yo lũ linh còn lì hùa vã
We were gonna go to the Sphere, but we're not gonna do it anymore. It's too expensive. Wow, so beautiful.
What how it looks on the inside.
It's a huge stage. Here's the reflection over here. Treasure Island right there. So nice.
I didn't get shocked by you.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Screen. It's pretty good.
Yeah. Or getting ready for the nightlife.
Thiên ố lu tao có nhiều đêm mò lu xia chua chỉ tao có xa cho thao nhớ kê trong ly cu lu xia của gì
có ua cu ra đa nang lu tia có ua cu ra mình câu hù chỉ hờ thầu lu nang chỉ kể trầu tu thiệt tàu mùa lo hù mùa cho lo sơn trong tia tế tí nang cho cúm lòng hoa kê chia cú do có khó mẹ chơi cho chia cú do có khó chơi xa cho chỉ hờ thầu lu nang chỉ kể cún thò có thiệt tàu xa cho thiệt ly tàu gió thiệt chỉ khâu khâu gió thiệt chỉ xa tòa đã ươn chế mong chỉ gió thiệt chỉ tao lên nhau ok thiệt li tao chỉ phải kể nhà mùi hoa nhảy tu đời có thiệt cũ mua y giờ đã nâng lu cho cây lu chia qua đan mua trâu con lùng sơn trong tia tem lo tia cũ tu nang rong mù chia qua lùa ly tiền nó chê khu xì có mù tha tia có vua sơn rải hầu cũng đua xia
Hi, khả năng biết có view nữa, chúng có chấp lời the local town. They blew their rails. We decided to cheaper aqua strip because we were busy now. Yeah, baby chụp phải là một aqua strip đâu thế gì? Nói big for river, big for the top, so pretty. Đừng có chấp lời. Busy tiếp theo mà. Sao được kia hay thế à? Cho cây lu chia qua đan mua trâu con lùng sơn trong tia tem lo